Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change out a pump on a super large heavy fountain. This fountain is not that big, not that heavy. It's about 400 pounds the base, maybe 450. So for one person it's a lot, but it's not crazy like you need a forklift. This technique will work with 3,000 pound fountains. What you need is this boat jack. So 2,400 pound boat jack, largest one they sell. Okay, then you have a professional welder put on this 4-inch piece of steel right in the front, this plate, all right? Then you're gonna put that, you're gonna dig down a hole and slide that under the fountain, and you're gonna jack it up. And you're not gonna lift all the way up, you're just gonna tilt it so you get the pump out. So put this piece so it doesn't wiggle. Put this down below. Just gotta dig out the hole to get it to fit. Hopefully that'll work. And then you slide it under. Okay, like that. Now you want it to be far under. Oh, sorry, baby's crying. And then you put this piece to protect the front, okay? So you want to have as much under as you can. This piece blocks the front. This bottom piece makes it so it doesn't slide out and doesn't go too deep down, all right? Now, just jack it up. You might have to hold your foot here so it doesn't slide sometimes, or get another piece of wood. This isn't that heavy, so I'm not worried about it. All right, let's take a look at what we got. So here's the pump cord. Back here, we should be able to get to it, get our hands underneath, and tie. I'll show you in a little bit. Tie a string to the end of here. Pull the old pump out. Tie on the new pump. Pull it back in. Didn't take that much effort. All right. Show you that part in just a second.